So today it's going to be a series, 4 videos. I'm going to compare villa, townhouse investments, current market, apartment investments. In apartment investments, we're going to add luxury as well. So we're going to do a complete breakdown analysis. Townhouses, villas, apartments, luxury. Now, end of the series, I want to add something very, very exclusive, very interesting. 7 mega projects that are hitting Dubai, and it's going to change your per square foot price depending on where you invest. This is going to be the game changer. These 7 game changer products that are hitting the market. And then I promised my last video that I'm going to explain to you a millionaire migration. We'll have that one as well. So 4 extremely important videos. It's going to be back to back, part 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's get straight into the video, breakdown analysis. So these are, according to me, the top townhouse slash villa investment opportunities in Dubai. Why are they the top? I know there are multiple opportunities, but why are these the top? Because the current HNI, ultra HNI crowd that's coming to Dubai, they're looking for modern contemporary villas, and in the community, they need facilities. There are several communities in Dubai that don't have these common facilities. Now the HNI, ultra HNIs that are coming to Dubai, they really enjoy this. For example, in an EMA cluster, when you enter an EMA cluster, you will find in every cluster, in a cluster there will be over 200 townhouses. In that cluster, there is a pool, play area, and they enjoy that. Not every villa community has it. So parameter number 1, it has to be modern, contemporary, 2, 3, minimalistic, and 4, needs to have all the facilities. So moving forward, Arabian Ranches 3 Kaya. Why Kaya is very interesting? It's because these are the only independent villas in the entire Arabian Ranches 3 cluster. So very, very important opportunity, Kaya. Number 2, Jowri Hills. Now Jowri Hills in Jumeirah Golf Estates. Another important product to understand. Jumeirah Golf Estates is a very established villa community. Very, very much similar to Barari. Hence, Al Barari today, you're not going to find a good independent villa less than 13 to 14 million dirhams, because it's modern, a bit of a Spanish design to it, but again, a beautiful community. Similar, Jumeirah Golf Estates, phenomenal established community. This is the last plot. It was almost like an edge plot of Jumeirah Golf Estates. They caught the pulse of the market. They figured that there are no contemporary villas inside a villa community. The contemporary villas, as of now, are majorly customized independent villas bought by investors. They buy independent plots, they build these villas, but very, very rare commodity in the market. Hence, you'll have an edge when you invest into a contemporary villa. So hence, the appreciation, you can see it's quite high, because the sort of market price. Now we calculated the market price based on existing products in the market. It can go higher because the existing products in the market are not the same. These are bigger in sizes, 5,500 square foot. As you know, the products that were released between 2016 to 2021, they were quite small in size. You would have seen 4 and 5 beds between 3 and 5,000 square foot. So quite big in size, modern, contemporary, beautiful villas. Elisab, now these are a bit smaller. Now, according to me, the new crowd that's coming to Dubai, they don't want a small villa. They need space, they need luxury. It has the brand name and it's delivering soon, hence it has an advantage. The pricing is decent. The pricing is at 3.65, decent pricing. 3-bed townhouses, but these are again a bit smaller. Moving forward, District 1 is an existing ready community. It's a community being searched a lot by the investors coming down from the UK, Europe. They really enjoy District 1 because of the proximity to downtown Dubai. I've added this, it's ready, it's not upcoming, it's ready. The price is around 12.5 million. Hence, we can't estimate a lot of appreciation because it's an existing product, you know, and people are very well aware of the product. It's not completely modern, but I have placed this price to understand this is an existing price. 4,800 square foot, 12.5 million. So it's an existing product in the market. Shobha, Shobha did really well. Shobha Forest Villas did really well in the market. If you known in the past, in 2013-14 was the initial launch of Forest Villas. They were selling close to 8 to 10 million. Then back in 2021, they started selling the same product at 17 to 22 million. So now there's a new launch. It's not the same, not in Shobha Heartland. This is next to the Arabian Ranches 3 plot. It's called Shobha Reserve. Again, a decent product in the market, a good product to understand investment. The most clientele, the demographic for Shobha Villas are majorly from India, because Shobha being an Indian developer, they have a huge client base from India, especially the south of India. Now, Tilal Al Gaf Harmony Villas. Tilal Al Gaf caught the attention of a lot of foreign investors because it's very modern, very light, nice colors, like light colors, exactly what the UK European investors enjoy. But the only sort of issue with both Tilal Al Gaf and Mudon. Mudon again, Miras, phenomenal developer, established community, very similar to Jumeirah Golf Estates. But both of these, the only issue is that they are in the Hesse Street. Now, I have this theory. It's a theory, guys, just from my experience, my personal experience from real estate. Now, when a particular section, I'm going to explain this on the whiteboard towards the end of the first video. But my top preferences right now, guys, are Oasis and the Valley. Oasis sold out day one. Now, these guys are going to make the highest amount of return, because this is just the minimum figure that we're expecting. But Oasis is one of the top investment opportunities. It was like the farm gardens in the valley. Again, a phenomenal investment opportunity. Another very similar investment opportunity are the club villas in the valley. If you're watching this video today, the date is 19th June 2023. If you're watching this video today, do hit me up regarding the valley, because the launch is this week, guys. Why the valley is an extremely important investment? It's because it's, again, waterfront, modern, contemporary villas. It's going to be a very exclusive cluster, similar to Kaya in Arabian Ranches 3. The valley, these club villas, the name is Rivana. So the Rivana cluster of the valley is going to be one of the most exclusive clusters. Beautiful lagoon front, and the valley, you must understand, has a lot of facilities similar to Dubai Hills. Got a beach, hit the word beach, okay. A beach model, okay. It's very similar to Damac Hills, but it's going to be EMA version of that. Zen gardens, yoga, meditation grounds. They want to create this entire, I'm going to explain the beauty of valley in my fourth part when I explain the 7 mega projects, where Dubai is heading in terms of casinos, in terms of sustainability, in terms of Vision 2040, where Dubai is heading, and hence why Oasis and Valley are extremely important projects. I've constantly reiterated to all my investors, follow EMAR, follow Nakil, follow RTA, follow URB. I haven't mentioned URB. Got to understand what URB is in the 7 mega projects. When you follow these, you'll exactly understand where to invest. So Valley, Oasis, if you're looking for a townhouse, beautiful, because the ticket size is 3.5 million. This is for a 4-bed. For a 3-bed, it's less, around 2.9 million would be for a 3-bed, but for a 4-bed, 3.5 million, perfect ticket size. Let me explain the cash flow. This is just an example of cash flow. Don't quote me on this sizes or the prices. It's going to release tomorrow, but these are what I'm estimating, and it's going to be ballpark figures. But size does matter in this market, guys. Now, the old figures for 1 bed at 500 square foot, 2 beds at 900 square foot, these figures are not going to work. These big townhouses focus on products that have a limited supply in the market. Now, a 3-bed at 3,200 square foot is unbelievable. Unbelievable, because every single 3-bed townhouse in the market is at around 1,900, 2,000 square foot. So when you have a product that is so big, massive, lagoon facing in an EMA community, the sort of demand you'll have for your product is unbelievable. So this is an example of a cash flow. It's 10%, 10% year one, 10%, around 20% year two. Third year will be a little heavy, around 30%. Then again, 20% and 10% on handover. So our presumptive exit is somewhere around this span. So you would have paid around 20, 40, 70%. So after paying 70% of the value, you have a potential exit, because what's going to happen during this time, I will explain. Future analysis, guys. So Sheikh Zayed Road, this is the Al Khail Mohammed bin Zayed Road and Emirates Road. A lot of development happening over here. So to understand a reference point, this is on Sheikh Zayed Road where Mall of the Emirates comes. So that's where all the action is happening currently. Change it a bit too heavy colors here. I'll change the color scheme. So this is Sukim, where MOE is, and parallel to Sukim is Hessa. So right now, let's say 70% of villas and townhouses are in this section. And because it is very important, Sukim Street and Hessa Street. Now already we're in 2023, the traffic is high. We're expecting at least 13,000 houses coming purely in this section. Now historically, we've always seen when a place gets too dense with traffic, there's a lot of individuals who prefer moving into places where there's less traffic, and when you have better options, why not? So people are going to move into, so when you have a congested area, this is Hessa, they're going to move either towards, this is the south, Dubai South, you have options this direction, or they move towards this area where you have your urban ranches 3, you'll have your Shoba Reserve, you have Arada is building a community over here, and if you go further ahead, this is where you have your valley. So people are going to move towards areas. Now valley is connected to the entire, now if you purely study valley, so if you study valley as the location, so presuming that this is where AR3 is, so we've understood, now we've gotten a perspective, so somewhere over here is basically Hessa, and this is exactly where valley is. Now valley is divided into both the roads. This is a 6-lane road, guys, 6 lanes, massive road, Dubai Al Ain Road. So valley is being developed on both sides, huge community. This is where the farmhouses, farm gardens, your premium clusters are, and this is where the smaller townhouses that were developed or handed over or selling up to around 2021 was happening in this section. Now this road has direct access to both Dubai Creek Harbour, downtown Dubai. Again, frame this, memorize this section, because in the top 7 mega projects that are coming to Dubai, this is a very important point. One important point, the future is all about sustainability. All about sustainability, guys. And then 2, location is very critical. So we need to understand what's happening in the future. We need to understand Vision 2040. So hang on. I know it's been a long video, but let's now straight jump into apartments. Then we go on to the 7 mega projects.